Samsung. What is Samsung? Samsung is a brand that makes phones, tablets, smartwatches, and also 1 TB hard drives. Don't believe me? Your evidence and proof is right here. But in today's video, we're not going to talk about the entire Samsung brand, but on one of Samsung's flagship phones. The Samsung Galaxy S7. People love the S7. Critics and consumers love this device for its unique form factor, feeling premium with the top tier features. But considering that this was released back in 2016, and now it's 9 years old, almost making it 10 as it's 2025 right now, how will it hold up in the but late 2025 and early 2026? Let's find out by using the Samsung Galaxy S7 and also reviewing it and how it performs in today's modern era. The Samsung Galaxy S7 shipped with Android 6.0 Marshmallow, and it got up to 2 security updates, probably not 2 security updates, but up to 2 versions, and the latest that this phone is running is Android 8.0. Not sure what that is, but you know, it is new. And also the last Android patch released for this phone was back in 2020, 4 years after its release. Not bad. Also, this is the second phone in the S lineup to not have removable batteries. And after the S6, well, without its SD card slot, it came back with the SD card slot. And it also has a fingerprint reader. And I got this phone from my auntie, and she doesn't know how to reset a device. So let's see if she reset it properly. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, in terms of condition, generally for this phone, it's in pretty nice shape. It uses micro USB as the charging port, which is the last flagship S series model to have micro USB-C. Then after the S8, the USB-C got introduced. And also, there's the headphone jack. The iPhone 7 removed that from release, and it's the same year, so kudos to you, Samsung. Alright, let's turn this thing on. Now, I haven't turned this thing on though since I got this, but it should be a fun experience to see this phone. Look at that gorgeous Samsung logo. It's so beautiful, right? And also, I love the display on this. It's so clean. Well, not on this, but the viewing angle is good.
Moteur synthèse vocale actuel, moteur de synthèse vocale Samsung. Assistant de configuration Samsung.
I'm sorry, but is this French?
Moteur synthèse vocale
France? Where did my aunt get this phone? Voice assistants. Oh my. Oh. Hang on, I have to disable this thing. Alright, after some time I was able to disable this, the voice assistant speaking in French. Now we can change the language to one of my favorite languages, English United States. And now we can continue with the setup. Alright, what I feel like about this is the navigation buttons light up, and also it has a power indicator when I was turning it on. Let's click on start. I don't want to give my SIM card. Connect to Wi-Fi. Give me a second. Alright, got internet on this thing. Anyways, agree to the terms and conditions. Alright, and user license agreement, sure. Diagnostics data, sure. Marketing information. I read and agreed to all of the above. Alright, it's time to check for updates. There are no updates because this is on the latest version. I know that because before my aunt set this, I messed around with the phone. Anyways, time to sign into my Google account. Give me a second. What I love about this phone is the haptics also. So like, for example, if I want to do this, yeah, it gives the vibration feeling. So yeah, I like this keyboard. Alright, shoot, okay, continue, I agree. Just a sec, no backups, sure. I don't really care. Alright, it's time for the fun part. Setting up the fingerprint scanner. So let's click on next. Set up a fingerprint scanner. Continue. Let's put a pin. So do not require. We'll put a normal pin. Security feature, will it confirm? Okay, no, not like the iPhone. Alright, so the fingerprint is the home button. Okay. Alright, it's set up. Continue. Notifications, you can customize notifications. So when it's locked, hide content, I don't care about this information. Protect my phone. Screen lock has been set up successfully. Google services. Yeah, I accept all this. Google Assistance. I don't want. So, I just turned off Wi-Fi. I just gave up. Alright, sign into my Samsung account. I don't want to. Samsung account is very boring. Skip. Don't restore. Finish. I also, yeah. That's ready to use. Why am I getting French stuff? I know I'm in Canada, but like French in Ontario? Nuh-uh. Okay, so smart switch agent, copy good content from old device, no. Samsung Pay, no. Oh, flashlight. Pretty nice. Alright, and we're in. So there is 2 Google accounts on this. One for my personal and one is my business account. So now let's see the basic features. So phone. The interface looks modern, and oh no, there's some extra bloatware. Okay. The more I think about it, the more I think this phone is from Quebec. With all of this French stuff, I just think this is from Quebec, right? Let's see some bloatware. There are some Microsoft bloatware, Samsung bloatware. Great, as Instagram and WhatsApp are already pre-installed, so I don't have to deal with that. Let's see, Facebook, Amazon, Audible, and then we have the extra bloatware, in-pace client, game launcher, which is the first device to have that, LCI, Figaro, and Page Jones. Like quite literally. I don't need to add the brightness is a little too up. Yeah, okay. Sure. This phone is a 4G and LTE smartphone, so you can put a modern SIM card in this, which is obvious. It's not the Samsung Galaxy S3. No wait, that's iPhone 4. And also the fingerprint sensor works. Yeah. Let's check out the camera. Alright. Let's take a picture with this. Yeah, that's pretty good. Front facing. The front facing, how does it do? Let's see. Alright, front facing. First phone, not bad at all. So, not bad at all for first impressions. Now we can download apps. So let's go to the Play Store and download some apps. Oh yeah, no internet connection. No internet connection. Retry. Oh no, it's using the old Google app one. So let's just start downloading some apps. I won't use Facebook. Facebook's already installed on this. I won't use Facebook because I'm not an old person and I don't even have a Facebook account. I tried creating one, but it said no. So let's get to it, shall we? Let's download some apps. I'll get back to you guys later. Alright, after some time, I got some apps into this phone. So let's see the apps that we got here. We got Discord, Spotify, TikTok, Calendar, Reddit, Geometry Dash Lite, and then we have Instagram. And also, I was planning to download X when suddenly I can't install it! So yeah, we don't need X. Anyways, let's start reviewing apps. Starting off with Discord. Even though it's using Android 8, it should still show some latest applications. For example, Discord. This looks like the new UI there is. Alright, let me log in. Alright, got Discord on this phone. And it works smoothly. Let's check out something in Geometry Dash. Let's check some announcements. Alright, leave. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, GDs. Yeah, some basic stuff. This is my future Discord server, and the last message it got was in October. But let's make it more active. Next up, Spotify. Alright, millions of songs free on Spotify. Continue with Google, continue with Facebook, continue with Google. Alright, signed in to my Spotify account. Let's load up some Geometry Dash songs. Let's go for Jumper. Alright, we know that Spotify works. Let's go for TikTok. Video enhancer? No. Okay, we know TikTok should work, so it starts on TikTok. Yeah. I don't know. Life hacks. Okay, alright. Yeah, it looks, it's laggy, but with a lot of patience. With a lot of patience, it should work. There's no way I confuse this side with having the power button. Alright, next app. Next up, Google Calendar, which is important to me, and also for some people that are at work. This may be important to you, so let's check it out. Looks good. You can also enable notifications. So let's try creating an event. This event will be 3 minutes, called a WAD. A WAS, actually. Perfect. Should be good. Yeah, see, I got a notification. A WAS. Like a WAS. See, that's genuinely so good. So Google Calendar, perfect for this device. Next app, Reddit. Do I have, okay, I'm signing in. I thought you didn't have to sign in, but you have to. I thought, okay. Alright. Looks good. It may look like a little sluggish, but overall it's running just fine. Quite literally. r/ThinkPad. Yeah, it's running perfectly fine. It should be fine. Yeah, it's good. Reddit is running smoothly, so I give it a thumbs up. Geometry Dash Lite. Alright, this includes the game launcher, so it'll include the game tools. Yep, now let's get the volume up. Okay, Geometry Dash. Let's play through Geometrical Dominator. Yeah, it is delayed. Anyways, Geometry Dash works perfectly fine, so I give it the thumbs up of approval. Next and final application is one of the preloaded applications. It's right in this box. Instagram. Oh, update Instagram. Oh yeah, this is an older version of Instagram, so I guess it's updating. I'll give it a sec. Oh, and also while that is updating, let's take out the SIM of my personal phone. pry it out. Pull it out and see that SD card. It's right there. And just put the SIM card right over there, then just put it inside the phone. Alright, it's time for the moment of truth. Can I get calls from my phone? And if I get calls, that means I can also call other people back. Alright, moment of truth. I'm calling my phone. The S7. Alright. Yep. Yeah, it's this one. Alright. Instagram. Yep. Look. Yep. It's updated. No. I already have an account. I have to log in, don't I? Alright. BRB. Alright. I'm logged in. And so far, it's pretty good. But, you know, this is even better. Let's check the reels. No stuttering.
It's a boy! Wow, an Italian boy. Put him down. And he's 5 minutes late. That means a free pizza home delivery boy. Please stop calling me delivery boy.
Yeah, it's good. It's responsive. Actually, sometimes it freezes up, but overall, Instagram works perfectly fine. So yeah, there you have it. And this is it. A Samsung Galaxy S7 in the late 2025 or early 2026. In my perspective, is it useful in this time period? Or like, is it usable in this time period? I would say yes. It's not like the Google Pixel 7, but arguably it works perfectly fine for basic tasks, video calls, organizing your Google Calendar if you're using Google Calendar, etc. It should be lightweight, but not like heavy tasks, by what I mean. So, for example, please don't play PUBG on the Samsung Galaxy S7. The Google Pixel 9 can run it, but not the Samsung Galaxy S7. So, I can say that the S7 is usable in the very late 2025 and early 2026. So, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!